Well, good morning, guys. Gonna make a quick recap here. I took a little loss here on RLGY this morning. Uh, Let me just give you that info ahead of time. Uh, so we're gonna jump into the trade on RLGY this morning. We're gonna go into the 1 minute time frame here, and this is what happened to me today, right at the open. So this stock, if you look at the 1 minute here, I was looking at a couple of different areas here. If you look at 662, I wanted to get over this because this is where the view app was actually sitting pre-market, and I had a couple of levels that I was watching here. The stock opened and it had a little bit of resistance around the 650 area, which is these candles right here. Right here, right at the open, it pulled back here, but it got a little bit of resistance here, and I was waiting for it to come back to me. If you look at this opening candle here, was tapping 650, had a nice push here right at the open, but the problem is that I wasn't able to make any kind of take the opportunity there. The trade that I put in was around 657 and exited right at 647. I got filled on $6.56, and I had to exit right at 647 because it didn't work out too well for me. Right here on this candle, we were breaking. I was looking at the high of this candle right here. If you notice, it's 655 for the pre-market hour today right here, 655. So right at the breakout of this candle, I sent my order. I got filled around $6.56. We had a nice push here, but I was waiting for something better than that when actually pulled back, and right around this flush here was one that I actually had to exit. So I got filled here. If you notice here, this candle pulled back and I had to exit on the way down right here. So I took a little loss there around $27 plus my commission. So a little loss at about 37 bucks here right at the open for me. Unfortunately, that's something that happened, and I gotta deal with it and continue moving on. Now, LCI is another stock that we saw right at the open today. If you look at this thing right here, this is the 1 minute time frame. We open right here at this dotted line. Let me just try to fix this thing so you can see it better. Going to a 75 here, so you can see right this dotted line right there. This is where it closed yesterday, and right at the close yesterday we have this nice doji here. The close of yesterday was a resistance. Flush from it, we had a pretty nice and interesting bear flag here right at the open at the 1 minute time frame. A little bit of consolidation. Afterwards, it was able to just resume the trade, and right here it consolidated a little bit on this pennant formation right there. Then if you put it a little closer, you can see a spinning top candle right here, which actually signifies a reversal on the momentum, on the trend. The current momentum or the current trend actually was a little bullish here because we have this green candle. So with this particular spinning top formation candle here, it actually rolled over to the downside and just flushed right here, and then we just continued trending sideways. 724 right here was the level that I was looking for a possible breakout, but it was stopping the 723 and 724 here too much, and with this shooting star candle formation here, we were not able to break that. Even here, tapping this 50 simple moving average, you can see here we were really close to that area, and we were not able to break over it. Right now we're still printing the 701 707 there, and if you notice right here, we have the same shooting star formation here. And right here, what we have is a gravestone doji formation candle in the 5 minutes. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to capitalize on this opportunity to the downside right from the open, and had a slow day for me, and a little bit of a loser on a $27 losing trade, but at least it wasn't so big of a deal. Tomorrow's another day, and we'll be right back at it. So just wanted to bring you this small recap. There was a lot of stocks that we were watching during the day while we were live streaming, but I just wanted to keep this video small for now, and wanted to bring you, and thank you for listening, guys. Happy trading. I'll see you tomorrow again.